Today I'm going to render a raw SketchUp image using 4 different AI tools with the same prompt. I'll be comparing Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana, ChatGPT and PromeAI. Which one handles architectural visualization best? Let's find out. Quick heads up, I won't be analyzing the images myself. I want you to be judge. So take a close look and let me know your favorite in comments. First up, let's try Nano Banana Pro. As mentioned in my previous video, I'm using the free tier for this. I'll attach the raw building sketch and paste the prompt to generate a photorealistic render. It took about 3 minutes to process this hyper-realistic image, and honestly, I'm quite happy with the result. Next, I'm running the same prompt and image through Nano Banana. The speed here was impressive. It generated the render in just 15 seconds. If you're looking for speed, this workflow is incredibly fast. Moving on, let's upload the raw sketch into ChatGPT by OpenAI. This is actually my first time using ChatGPT to render a raw sketch like this, even though it's considered one of the top image generators. The render took about 1 minute to complete, and here's the result. Finally, we have PromeAI. Once you log in, you start with 10 free credits. For this, you need to navigate to the sketch rendering section. I'm uploading the image and using the same prompt as before, keeping all the default settings. The default generation gives you 3 different options and costs 0.3 credits. I've selected the third option for this comparison. And now, here are the 4 final renders side by side. Which AI do you think won? Let me know in the comments below, and thanks for watching.